center of the mat. And then what I want you to do is kind of give it a little kickstand, so you're sending your foot over to the right side. And then we're going to send the left leg out straight and roll into a side plank here. Your arm can come up or can come to your hip here. Your hand is just underneath your shoulder. And then what I would like you to do is just try to pick up that left foot off of the mat. Hold it here. You'll flex your foot, point your toes, either one, pushing into that kickstand on your right leg. Hold it here for a few more breaths. Slowly bring the left hand back to the mat. Look up behind your hand. Pick up the right foot and step the right foot in between your hands. Drop the left foot and flatten out. Drop the left foot. Go ahead and lift the body off of the thigh. Hands can come to the right way. You should feel a great stretch all the way down the left leg. Stay strong in the right leg. Stack the knee over the ankle. Inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, maybe to the side back. Inhale, bring the hands down to the back for a tabletop. Let's do the other side. Put the left knee in the center of the mat. Use your left foot as a kickstand. Ready? Send the come down to the hip, or it can stay up. You're going to lift the right foot off the mat. Hold it here. Your gaze can come down to your hands or up to your right. Back down to the mat, and the left foot back to the right, and up. Inhale, the left foot again, left foot comes to the right side. Lift the body off the chest, and come up. Stack your left knee over your ankle. Inhale, and then on the exhale, take a slight back bend, gazing towards the back of the room if this feels good. Here, take a few breaths, and then inhale into plank, exhale, lower the body down, inhale, cobra, exhale, down dog, inhale, walk the feet all the way to the mat, exhale, allow the body to just fall